Hey beauties, ready for a cute and easy nail design with pigment and spider gel? Let's get started. I'm starting with a favorite color as the base. Now adding a thick white stripe across the nail. While the white is still tacky, rub on some pigment powders. Mix and match any colors you love. Which color combo would you try? Tell me in the comments. Now seal everything with a layer of top coat and cure. Use black and white spider gel to draw a few straight lines over the pigment area. It adds such a cool detail. With black gel, draw a small plants, half over the pigment stripe, half on the gray area. It brings the whole look together. I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and left a comment. Your support means so much and helps me keep creating more amazing content for you. Finish with one more layer of top coat for that glossy shine and we're done. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cute nail ideas.